Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Google Chrome opening unwanted sites on new tab automatically. So how to fix this problem? So this is very easy and a quick way I will show you to fix this Google Chrome problem. So firstly you need to open your Chrome browser. Now you need to click on this three dots. You see this right side. So click on these three dots in upside. Now click on this settings option. Now need to click on. So now you need to click on this reset settings. This last option. You see this? Just click on it. Now need to click on restore settings to their organic defaults. So simply click on it and you see this reset settings. So you see this help make Chrome battery buy. So uncheck this box and click on resetting. Reset settings. So just click on it and your problem will be fixed. Now close it. So this way you can easily fix this Google Chrome opening unwanted sites on new tab automatically. So this way you can easily fix. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.